Hi lovelies, let's make Esumi Pepper, a spicy and flavorful Cameroonian delicacy. This delicious soup is made with just 2 ethnic spices, yet the aroma is divine. And it's so easy to prepare in under 30 minutes. Just keep watching, and in under 5 minutes, I will show you how easy it is to prepare delicious Esumi Pepper. Please give this video a like and let's get started. So for this recipe, we are using 2 kilograms of mullet fish. Please feel free to use any fresh fish for this recipe. Esumi Pepper is made exclusively with fresh fish. I've prepared this with mackerel and tongue, and it came out so delicious. So just use any fresh fish you have. So we'll go ahead to scale, cut, and gut our fish. I will equally wash the fish thoroughly with lemon or vinegar to take away any awful smell since we are not frying. So at this point, we are done cleaning our fish and our fish has been transferred into a pot. So let's take a look at our ingredients. These are the 2 main ingredients for this sauce. We have rondelles, or what we locally call country onion. And we equally have njangsa. Njangsa is a local ethnic spice used in the Cameroon cuisine. Please, I don't know any other name for this. If you know any other name for this, kindly put it down in the comments section. So we go ahead to peel the skin of the rondelle and we wash. We're actually going to be adding in some hot peppers. Here I have some frozen habanero peppers. So I went ahead to blend our 2 ethnic spices together with the pepper. And back to our fish, we season with some salt as well as 1 seasoning cube. You don't need much seasoning cubes to make your meal tasty. A great spice combination is just the best. So back into our spices, we add in water to make it a bit loose or runny. This is because once you start cooking, the liquid is going to thicken up. So we add in water and then we pour it all over our fish in the pot. I went ahead to rinse the blender and added that in. So let's proceed to give this a gentle stir, at least to uniformly distribute the salt and seasoning. Guys, this meal is so easy to make. At this point, we just cover and bring to a boil. And then we cook for about 20 to 25 minutes till the fish is well cooked. And you gently shake the pot while cooking. Avoid stirring, because you can easily break the fish if you try to stir. So shaking the pot is just enough. At this point, our fish is cooked. So we go ahead to add in some oil. And after adding in the oil, you just cover and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes and the food is ready. Guys, the aroma from this soup is so overwhelming. Once you prepare this soup, definitely your neighbors will know something is going on around. The flavor from these 2 ethnic spices is just out of this world. And that's just it. Our delicious Esumi Pepper is ready. Guys, what would you like to complement this soup with? For me, I'll be serving this with some miondo or bobolo. You can as well complement this soup with some plantains, some yams, some cocoyams, just anything you like. The soup is so versatile. Just take a look at our delicious Esumi Pepper. Please kindly give this video a like. This will help YouTube to push this video further to those who have not seen it yet. Thank you. And if it is your first time on this channel, you are most welcome. Hit the subscribe button below to join this amazing family. We have a lot to share on this space. You won't regret it. I just can't wait to devour this meal. Let us give our delicious Esumi Pepper a taste. This meal is traditionally eaten with the hands, so I'll just go in with my hands. This soup is super yummy and delicious. I bet you everyone will like it. Thank you for clicking on this video and watching. Do stay blessed, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.